Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about what is a sales funnel and how can you use it. So again, my name is Kevin J. Pineau. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, the first thing you need to do before we jump into this content is smash the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. Welcome to my channel. So what is a sales funnel and how can you use it? A sales funnel is seriously, let's just dive right in. The number one thing you want to do with a sales funnel is you want to generate leads. When you send someone to your website, you want to sell them something. Usually that's what you're doing if you're trying to make money online. Typically when someone buys a website, it tends to be just a blanket thing, has a lot of different things that you can click on, and someone comes and visits your site and they bounce around. They get a lot of great information. It's not a bad thing, but a lot of times if they don't make a sale, they just leave. The idea between a sales funnel or an online sales funnel is you want to capture their contact information so you can retarget them and follow up with them if they didn't make the purchase, to sell them again later or to build a relationship with them. So essentially a funnel is a plan, an idea, and cash fused down to get you success. All right, you have to learn a number of things to make this work. You need paid advertisement, pay-per-click, banner ads, video marketing, YouTube, articles, content marketing, blogging, social media. There's many different ways that you can get them onto your landing page of a sales funnel to turn it into money and to turn it into profits. But what is a sales funnel? Essentially, it's this. That's it. It is a simple landing page. Usually has some information on it that's very simple and right to the point to capture someone's information in exchange for something free or something very cheap in order to maintain that relationship, to build it and hopefully market them something of more value in the future. You want to keep essentially growing in value with everything. So essentially someone enters, with the software we'd use, someone would enter their information and their website would instantly send it to the next page, where there would be either a thank you page for opting in or a bridge page to the next offer, like a video or some sort of text and a link that would send you to the product to make your purchase. And after that, typically it'll send you to the sales page. So as you can see, it's a sequence. We're going to build on this, but the next bit is really what I want to show you, what makes this so powerful. Remember that it's just a sequence, as opposed to someone sending someone to your website for just some information and then bouncing and you never see them again. You get to capture them and send them to do very specific actions, one at a time. Okay, so you've captured their information. You've sent them over to your thank you page, your lead page, to introduce them to the product, and then you send them over to the sales page. And once they make their purchase, this is where things get awesome. Once someone makes their purchase and they're in the buying mode, just like any other store, you want to sell them a little bit more. When you go to the grocery store, why are all the M&Ms and candies and the impulsive things, sweets that you know you shouldn't eat right there at the register, because you just pick them up and throw them on the aisle? Why not? You're in a buying mood. So we want to capitalize on this. When they, in that purchase, the sales funnel will actually send you an upsell. It'll go to the next page and say, hey, you like this? Why don't you try out this next program that will throw in all these extra bonuses? And if they buy that, that can be the end of the sequence. Or if they decline that, you can then send them a downsell to the next page, where they'd be offering either the same product at a discount, a payment plan, or a second product of lesser cost but great value. The idea is to keep them buying while they're in that buying mode. So the idea is to keep them buying while they're in the buying mode. They make a purchase, you offer them something of greater value for a higher price. They either accept it or they don't accept it and you offer them something extra at a discount. So here's a look at the whole process. You start on their landing page, either from an advertisement or paid advertisement, free advertisement, YouTube videos, a referral, whatever it is. You capture their information. Once they enter that in, you send them to the next page where you introduce the product or services, or you thank them for opting in, and then you send them through that sales process. They make their purchase, they upsell, they downsell, and this can go, you don't want to get too crazy. It depends on how skilled you are. I'm not making any claims that you're going to make tons of money and this is get rich quick. I'm just explaining what the process is and how it works. So once they make their purchase, you can upsell and then you can downsell. So why you want to capture their information in the beginning is because you want to build a relationship with them. You tend to buy from people that you know, like, and trust. And that's why you're contacting them and asking for their information, so you can build a relationship and then you can market to them later. It's very important that you're capturing their information. It's one thing to just give a link and for someone to make a purchase and then it's anonymous and then you never see them again. Really, to build a business, you'd have to do that all the time. How many people walk into Walmart and just buy something and then leave? Well, what if you get on their targeted plans or you're offered discounts constantly? Can you see how you get people coming back? All right, so let's dive into the next bit. Have you noticed that I talk with my hands a lot? I'm not even Italian, I swear. So this is your whole sequence. You send them down that sales funnel, but at the same time, just below, you're capturing their email address, so then you can follow up in a sequence. All right, you can stay in touch with them and offer them more things in the future and build a relationship and build a following. This is how you're designing your whole business with a sales funnel, as opposed to just a typical website where people just bounce in and bounce out. I'm not saying they're bad, they're great and they have a great purpose, but if you're specifically looking to sell a specific thing and build a specific business around a product or service, this is probably the better way to go. So it's where things get a little weird. If you follow it from the top left, let's say someone opted into your emailing list and then they didn't buy, and the top left, that's your first email, and you send them through a sequence. And I noticed that you didn't follow up. Did you enjoy this? Check out this nice free piece of content. And you're sending them something daily, and it goes from right to left, and the arrow goes back and leads them back to your next sales funnel. Doesn't necessarily mean they have to opt in their email again, but you can send them through the next sequence of products. Do you see the power in that and capturing that and running them through a funnel? You can essentially do this until they don't want to buy anymore. Why do I like this process the best? Because it's all digital. Let's say you don't have any products or large amounts, millions of dollars or huge amounts of capitals that you can invest right now. I want to show you a way that doesn't involve any of that. This method doesn't involve a storefront. It doesn't involve machinery. It doesn't involve stocking up on mountains of goods. It doesn't mean you need storage place to put those goods. It doesn't mean you need to hire Bob to put everything on the back of a fork truck and move it somewhere, and you don't need to hire Phil to do the accounting and drive your delivery truck around. None of these things are involved in this model, and it's called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a simple process of someone has a product and they need someone to market and sell it for a commission. And that is your job as an affiliate marketer. And you use these same exact tools I just explained on how a sales funnel works, a digital sales funnel. The tool I like to use is ClickFunnels. I will leave a link to ClickFunnels for a 14-day trial in the description below if you want to test out some software that works like this. And if you want to build your skills and learn how to market better, I'm offering you a free video that introduces you to a product that is a 15-day online business builder challenge down in the description below through the website kevinjpineau.com/success. And if you like today's content, make sure you let me know by smashing the like button and leave a comment and below if you have any questions on how this business model can work for you. I'll see you in the next video.